Hello everyone, welcome to your next Bootstrap tutorial. In this tutorial we'll see the types of backgrounds that are obtainable in Bootstrap, and normally I would like to clear up everything for you so that you will normally remember how we used to roll in the past tutorials. What will happen is basically I'll clear up all the code in the body section so that you will have a clean slate. But since we are building a website with this, we're actually building our site. I don't think it's smart for me to clear up all the code. So what will happen is that you have to get accustomed to seeing several of these codes. You just have to understand where we are at any particular point in time. So I want to navigate to this section in our code, the section between this guy at the top and this guy at the bottom, so we can put something inside here. And that section is here. See, the nav bar at the top stopped here, you understand? Then there is a space, and then the nav bar at the bottom. Even if this space is covered like this, there will still be space. Look at what will happen here. I'll refresh and you see that nothing changed. So the space in your code does not mean that there's space in the on the browser. Alright, so we'll just have to find it. You just click here and find where this guy ends, and there's something called code folding that comes with this browser. It is here, as you can see. If I click on this little sign here, minus sign, it will fold the entire top of this top here. It will fold it for me. Then if I click on this one, it will fold the bottom for me. So I have space here. I can hit my enter button and create space for myself so that I can have a clean code. As you can see, there is a body tag here, body tag here. It has folded the other code for us, so we can concentrate on what we want to show. So what we want to display is a div. We'll just create a div. There are 5 colors in Bootstrap. Is it 5 or 6 colors? And I will show you all of them. You have div class, and we'll call it, since we want to change the background, bg background. We'll just choose one to be primary background. Okay, and what we'll do is let's just write anything inside. Okay, so that it will have something to display to us. Then we'll come here and refresh, but then this will just teach us a quick lesson. We'll reload, and as you can see, what we wrote didn't even appear. So where did it go? Remember, we made this top bar to be able to stay here when the rest of the content is scrolling. We did nav bar top fixed or something, so which means it's not occupying its own space. It's one layer above this white background. So what we just did entered under it. So we have to either go dig under this to find it, or we change what we have here, or we push whatever content coming down. So we'll take one option, then we'll take the other one. So you see, so we'll have to get back here and work on something. That is, this guy is causing us trouble. So since we don't want trouble, we can remove it and say, hey, we have repented and we don't want our nav bar fixed top again. Don't scroll with the rest of, just scroll with the rest of the content. As you can see, the rest of the content is down here. It has appeared. So another approach we would have taken is to actually write a tiny little code. Let's just see. Okay, so we have taken the first approach and it was wonderful by making it not nav bar fixed top. What if we actually want our site to scroll, the top menu to be when there is scrolling? So which means we have to push whatever content that will appear first. Well, let's push any content that will appear down, which means we will get back to our body tag here and write a code and say style. Anything that will come here should be pushed down. Padding top should be pushed down by, let's say, 60 pixels. I'm just guessing. If 60 pixels is not enough, we'll push it down a little by increasing this number. So at the top, we're saying at the top of this border of this body that whatever content you want to start, give 60 pixels space before you start adding content. Remember, it will not affect this nav bar because this nav bar is a layer above the body. That's why it can it behaves like that. So we refresh, and what that thing has been pulled down. You understand what what we just did right here? So same thing with the bottom. If we want it, we can just push the bottom top up again. So this is basic CSS. I believe you just understood what happened. So those are the two ways we could approach that. So I will delete this and we'll take the first approach. Since we don't need this for now, I will delete this guy. I say, hey, well done for all you've done for us. We don't need you again. So this is what it looks like. What we will do is what just happened is this guy here. Let me minimize this guy again, and we're back to what we had here. This is the bottom, this is the top. So what we have here is this guy here. We just put BG primary, and the magic started happening. It changed the color to this color. This cool blue color is the BG primary, and then we have BG success. So in success, look at the color of success in Bootstrap. Alright, in Bootstrap, this is the famous color of success. And then we have another color we have, we can call, like I told you, there are 5 of them. You have info. So we'll refresh and see what info looks like. Look at info, that's like light sky blue or something. Then we have a warning, and then we have danger. We have a warning, info. Let's just do it that way. Info. We had success, and we had primary, and then we have after warning we have danger. So these are the different colors we have, and we can refresh, and as you can see, very real cool colors, different colors depending on the background you're looking for. You can just use it. Alright, thank you very much. See you in the next video tutorial. Let's keep rocking this Bootstrap. Thank you. See you.